Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the most honest and detailed reviews of products that matter. Today, we're checking out the KitchenAid K400 variable speed blender with Tamper, model KSB40028, a powerhouse designed to handle everything from smoothies to milkshakes, and even the toughest ingredients like kale and almonds. If you've been searching for a blender that promises versatility, speed, and ease of use, then this might be the one for you. Let's take a closer look at what it offers. The KitchenAid K400 blender combines a unique three-part blending system to deliver consistent results. The jar design has been specifically crafted with ribbed walls that create a vortex to improve blending efficiency. It features an asymmetric blade that works in tandem with the IntelliSpeed motor control, which senses the contents of the jar and adjusts the speed accordingly, ensuring a smooth, uniform blend every time. Whether you're blending soft fruits or dense ingredients like ice or kale, this blender is engineered to maintain optimal power for your needs. One of the standout features is the variable speed dial. This gives you total control over your blend, allowing you to create everything from silky smooth smoothies to more textured mixtures with a quick twist of the dial. For those who prefer a bit more convenience, there are also 3 preset programs: Ice Crush, Icy Drink, and Smoothie. These are perfect for anyone who wants to quickly prepare their favorite drinks with minimal effort. It also includes a tamper to push ingredients down into the blender for more efficient processing, especially when dealing with thicker mixtures. When it comes to cleaning, the KitchenAid K400 doesn't disappoint. The self-clean cycle is a game changer. After you're done blending, simply add a little water and dish soap to the jar, hit the self-clean button, and in just a few seconds, you'll have a clean blender ready for your next recipe. It's a time-saving feature that is often overlooked but incredibly useful, especially for those who value efficiency in the kitchen. Now, let's talk about how this blender actually performs. I tested it by making a few different kinds of drinks, from smoothies to milkshakes. The results? Impressive. Blending kale, almonds, and ice was a breeze, thanks to the powerful motor and the blade design. I've used other blenders before that struggle with tough ingredients, but the K400 made quick work of them, delivering a smooth and creamy consistency in just a few seconds. For smoothies, I found the variable speed dial to be incredibly useful, letting me control the texture easily. Whether you want a drink that's perfectly smooth or with a bit of chunkiness, it's all possible with just a turn of the dial. On the downside, there are a few things worth noting. While the blender is powerful, it is a bit on the heavy side. If you're someone who frequently moves their blender in and out of cabinets, this might be something to consider. Additionally, while the self-cleaning function is a great convenience, you'll still need to give the tamper and blade a quick wipe down after use to ensure it's fully clean, especially when dealing with sticky or dense ingredients. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. Starting with the positives, the blending power is fantastic. It's able to tackle tough ingredients with ease, delivering a smooth blend each time. The variable speed dial and preset programs add versatility, allowing you to experiment with textures and blends. Another plus is the self-cleaning feature. For anyone who values a quick cleanup, this is a huge time saver. However, the blender is a bit bulky, and at times it can be challenging to store, especially in kitchens with limited counter space. It's not the quietest blender on the market either. While not excessively loud, the noise level may be an issue for those who prefer a quieter blending experience. When it comes to value for money, the K400 blender is positioned in the mid-range price category. Considering its build quality, performance, and the added features like the self-clean cycle, it offers solid value. While there are cheaper blenders out there, the K400's motor power, ease of use, and long-lasting durability make it a great option for those who need a high-performance blender. If you compare it to some of its competitors, such as the Ninja or Vitamix models, the K400 stands out with its intuitive controls and self-cleaning feature, but it may fall short in terms of size and the ability to handle larger batches of ingredients. Let's also briefly compare the K400 with other popular blenders in its category. Vitamix offers high-end models with robust performance, but they can be significantly more expensive. The Ninja blenders are generally more affordable and have similar power, but they often lack the precise control that the KitchenAid K400 provides with its variable speed dial and preset programs. So if you're looking for a versatile blender that doesn't require a hefty investment, the K400 is a strong contender in the market. As for build quality, the K400 blender feels solid and durable. The materials used are of high quality, and the blender has a premium look and feel. Over time, KitchenAid has built a strong reputation for producing long-lasting kitchen appliances, and this blender seems to follow suit. While we don't have long-term data on this specific model yet, based on KitchenAid's history, it's safe to assume that it will hold up well with regular use. In terms of customer support, KitchenAid has a solid reputation for service, and the brand offers a warranty for this blender. So if you run into any issues, you should be able to get support relatively easily. I didn't have any need to contact customer support during my testing, but the availability of resources and user-friendly manuals certainly adds to the overall convenience. So after using the KitchenAid K400 variable speed blender for a few weeks, what's the verdict? This blender excels in its ability to handle tough ingredients, offers precise control over texture, and makes cleanup effortless. It's a great choice for anyone who blends frequently and values ease of use and efficiency. The size and weight might be a concern for some, and it's not the quietest option on the market. But these are relatively minor drawbacks when you consider the overall performance. Whether you're someone who loves smoothies, shakes, or just needs a reliable blender for daily tasks, the K400 is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Reviewsinsidetv. If you've already tried the KitchenAid K400 blender or have any questions about it, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. The link to get the product is in the comments box. Goodbye till next time, where we'll keep bringing the reviews inside and out.